Hello YouTubers, my name is Freddy, and today we're going to be trying to build a subscriber counter. Actually, this might go over a few days. I did buy an ESP, let's see what it is. It's an ESP32 development board, which I believe has Wi-Fi capabilities, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using APIs to, an API call to YouTube to get my live subscriber count, and then we'll be passing it to this, and then that will be on. Should have a display board somewhere here. And we got the display board. I have practically no experience with this stuff. I've done a few of the little applications that you can do in the starter kit, but knowledge on accessing an API outside of anything that I built is foreign to me, as well as even doing anything with an ESP32 whatever is also foreign to me. So we'll be learning this together. Are these buttons? Oh, they are. Don't know what those buttons do. There's a couple of little buttons just right here. Boop and boop. You know what I might do? I might go see if I can find a tutorial. Yeah, so what we're doing, I guess I should angle this a bit better. Not at my crotch, but just so that this is in display. Oh, you're a little bent. Oh, that should be okay. Nice. So all of those are on. Oh yeah, so we've got the board here. We've got brown into power, red into ground. We now need to separate these out a little more. So orange is the DIN, which needs to go into 23, which is going to be on this side. So we'll do that. Okay. CS needs to go into 5, and CS is yellow. Yep. And the green, which is CLK, goes into 18. Okay, I've shown nice. So we've got all of that connected. Installing the Max 7219 Arduino libraries. We'll use an Arduino IDE to program our ESP32. Make sure you have the latest version of the IDE installed in your system. So I've now gone and grabbed a little micro USB cable, and we're going to just plug that guy in. We've got a green light, as you can see, which has now connected. Okay, we've got it working. So we've now got it saying ESP32. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So now that we've got that working, instead of having, well, we can change out actually. We can try the scrolling text module. I'm just going to change out the code, and we'll re-upload. And I think I just have to hold this boot button every time I want to upload onto this board. Yeah, and there you have it. Scroll. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. And if you haven't already subscribed, you should subscribe. So now, literally, all I need to do is figure out how to connect to the YouTube API, specifically targeting my YouTube channel, and get that to grab that data live on some sort of interval, and then that should be good. It does say ready Freddy. It does say connecting. Wi-Fi connected. Ready Freddy. Connecting. Okay, so it's stuck in some. Okay, it should say RF now. Yeah, so it says RF. What's the 110? Okay, so it says RF. Then it says the Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi 110 being the IP, data error. Okay, I think this is the one. I really do. Let's have a look, see how this is gonna be. I have strong hope. Yes, it worked. Nice. Okay, so it is a new day today, and we've made a little more progress with our subscriber counter. I'm going to show you what we have going on here. So we've got our subscriber count, which as you can see is 5, and then it will transition to views. Huge props to the Swedish maker for greatly helping us out on this project. Overall, I think the look is great. His font that he has created works really well. I especially love the little YouTube icon and the fact that the numbers are right aligned. They also progress to 1000 would be like a K, and then millions would be like an M. So in this case, like if we got any higher than 5,207, I think if you get to 10K or 100K or something, it changes to just saying K. So strongly recommend using his font style for this. But yeah, pretty much from this point, we're just going to build the back end, which is going to be the case. So it'll be a wooden case that we'll use with an acrylic front and some black screws. It's going to look really sleek. But yeah, overall, pretty happy with this. Ooh, there we go. There's the light. I'm pretty happy with this, and I can't wait to see the finished project. I don't think light goes through this. Oh shit. Yes! So there you have it, our very own YouTube subscriber counter, and it took about 4 days to make with a few mistakes, one being we actually glued the back on, but we need access to that chip, so I ended up pulling it apart, sanding it down, and then adding screws. And then as you saw, the acrylic had 2 mistakes. One was it was opaque the first time, and then the second time I didn't drill the holes big enough for the screws, so it snapped the acrylic itself. And then yeah, but the overall thing turned out really well. The stain looks really good, the acrylic looks really good, and then the overall item itself hasn't failed me for I think it's been about a month since I've actually recorded all of that. So yeah, if you really like this and you want to build your own, I will be making a how-to tutorial on this, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for that notification. And yeah, until then, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.